Hi, I'm Aditya. I'm the director of Blueref Engineering Solutions Private Limited. We are dealer associate for Blue Star in Mumbai, and we have won the Best Service Performance Award for the season 2019-20. My purpose of making this video is to let you all know about how to use your ACs, your split ACs, your room ACs in this COVID-19 pandemic. As we have entered the stage 3 of COVID-19 pandemic, we have to be very careful while using your ACs. So while using your room ACs, your split ACs or window ACs, maybe a ductable AC in your rooms, there are some guidelines been set by ISHRE. Now ISHRE is the Indian Society for Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. The most important guideline is to set your temperature properly. It is recommended by ISHRE to set your temperature between 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. Many people have a habit of keeping their AC temperatures below 22 degrees Celsius, but you have to break this habit. So this is my AC, and I am setting the temperature on 27 degrees Celsius. Your AC should be always kept on cool mode. Even the temperature between 24 to 30 degrees Celsius with proper ventilation is suitable for your body. Once you have started your AC and set the temperature, the next important thing to do is let the fresh air from outside come into your room by partially opening your windows. After I put on my AC, I am keeping this window partially open. Now you see the door on the opposite side of the window. I am keeping this door also partially open. This we are doing because the coronavirus is airborne, and better the ventilation in your room, more is the chance that the virus stays out of your room. Now you will say, once we open the windows and doors, there will be temperature loss and our electricity bills will go high. See, but if you have to be safe from this virus, you have to take that risk. Secondly, if you are setting your temperatures above 24 degrees Celsius, anyways you are going to save some power. There is one more option for improving the ventilation. If there is any exhaust in your adjacent room, like one you see in my kitchen, if I put this exhaust fan on, it will continuously draw air from my room and will be throwing it out from the kitchen. Another important recommendation by me is you also clean your AC filters and your ceiling fan blade on a weekly basis. There is one more important factor, which is the humidity. You can check the humidity in any mobile weather app. See, I click on details, and here the humidity in my area is displayed. It is 58%. It is recommended by ISHRE to maintain the humidity in your room between 40 to 70%, which is because the coronavirus is said to have a less survival rate in humid and high temperatures. So please follow these guidelines while using your ACs. We cannot say that we are completely safe by following these guidelines, because there are many other mediums that are spreading the virus. But these guidelines have been set globally. So it is our duty to follow them and try to be safe while using your ACs. If you need any technical support, you can mail me on the email ID mentioned in my bio. Thank you and stay safe.